words, I probably won't do it. But, yeah. The world's fucked up. You know what's even more fucked up? Is... I don't know. Just the fact that...